Alright, so in the previous video, we looked at completing the square by following the different steps. And in this video, we want to look at completing the square by using the formula, by using different formulas. There's a formula that we use to find h, and there's also a formula that we use to find k. And we know a would be the number in front of x squared, which is 3. So let's go straight into that. So we know a, first of all, a is equal to 3. And we know x will be x. So we need to find what is h. So h is equal to, the formula we use to find h is b over 2a. But before we head into this, formula, we know a is 3, a would be 3, b would be 15, and c would be negative 8. So let's just get that out of the way. So let's calculate h. So h is equal to b over 2a. And we know b is equal to 15 over 2 times a, in which a is equal to 3. So this will work out to 15 over 2 3s, 6. And when you break this down, we see 6 divided by 3 is 2. 15 divided by 3 would be 5. So we have 5 over 2 as h. So that is h. So let's find what is, let's find what is k. So the formula we use to find k is, and you should, this formula will resemble something. Hopefully you see it. The formula used to find k is 4ac minus b squared over 4a, and it kind of resembles the quadratic. Anyway, so let's fill in what we know. We know it's 4 times a, which is 3, times c, which is negative 8, minus b squared, which is 15. And all of this will be divided by 4 times a, which is 3. So when we work out what we have at the top here, we have 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times negative 8 will give you negative 96, minus 15 squared will give you 225. And all of this will be divided by 4 times 3 is 12. So when you work this out, negative 96 minus 225, that would give us negative 321 divided by 12. So when we break this down, we can break this down, and we know 12 divided by 3 would give us 4, and 321 divided by 3 will give us 107. So we have negative 107 over 4, and that is k. So we know what is k, we know what is h, and we know what is a, and we know we want to express this in the form a open bracket x plus h squared plus k. And we know we found a to be 3. So wherever we see a, we'll put 3 open bracket x, and we found h to be 5 over 2, x plus 5 over 2 all squared, and we know k is negative 107 over 4. And that is how you complete the square using, that is how you express this into this form using the formula for h and k.